hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yes, my people. There. Right about now. Question. When will our youths of Jamaica wise up? When will our youths of Jamaica start pray a future and stop cut down them life so short? When will that time be? Because right now, my viewers and my subscribers, to tell you right now, people, a news has reached NEWLINK, you know, and it's about a youth who was cut down in Boys Town, people, and to tell you, this youth, as to a community members, I say, and as to what the JFF know, because his name was with the Boys Town Football Club, and everybody don't know, say Boys Town is one of the top Premier League clubs in Jamaica. Well, people, this youth was cut down by the police. You understand? After the police said them going at the era in a Boys Town, because you don't know, say Boys Town, you know, remand them place, and they look tense right now with police and gang feuds and everything. Well, people, the police themselves conduct them operation when a look a shootout happen with this young man, you know, people. You understand? Unfortunately, he was shot several times by the police. The police said they recovered a 9mm pistol with several rounds of ammunition. Well, people, my question is right now, see? And this youth, as to the news that reached NEWLINK, he has no longer been playing for the Boys Town because of what he chose in life. Because what they are saying is that he decided to choose badness over the great soccer that can turn in a billionaire, a millionaire, even maybe a trillionaire. And they said that this youth was a promising footballer. He was very talented, very skilled, but him decided, say, him get distracted by the badness, and people, he go onto that side because community members spoke out. You understand? And they are saying, boy, they cannot believe that this young man really give away him life like that. Dash away him life like that. And people normally know in towns in Jamaica, whether any part, and they have someone die from there, and once time they know, you see people that come and demonstrate and talk about bag of things, and when I see people been saying this in the community, that to tell you that, boy, this youth just find himself in some things where he never put himself in a people. You understand? And to the news that reached NEWLINK is that this youth was very talented, very great footballer. You know what I mean? And just look at it. He maybe hasn't have to pay for the regular boys, you know, but him could get even contract if he continue to do his football thing. You get me? But as do I say, people say him get distracted. Somebody say him choose to go on the other side because they say you have two sides and they don't know. One side is what? Maybe the way out of badness, and one side is the way of badness, and him decides to go on the badness side and see the people. And these police ain't playing now. The police ain't playing. You understand? The police have a thing where them have. We are talking the good and the real police them, because we don't say have the bad man them we are play. But the one them we want to play them decide say, listen, we are bring back Jamaica and we are trying to get rid of all of the wicked criminals them out of Jamaica. And that boy me I tell the people. I can't believe what you see when me say promising things and good things, me not like see it go to waste. And this is a good thing that go to waste, or him choose to be waste. Because how can you have a career of playing soccer, which is so good, which is so great, and when you hear people in the community say, and for you see him play for Boys Town people, he has something special inside of him. Maybe he never that fully up there when he make it for the reggae boys, but maybe if he continue because he's young. You understand? And they say his nickname was Kingsley. Boy, I cannot believe people. I don't like when young people destroy their life or waste their life like that. I don't like it. To tell you the truth, oh my Jesus, man. The man chose to be a gunman and a criminal. In the end, NEWLINK gonna have to give you the attack if you choose that road. Zane, and look there, you have a promising career where we should be uplifting you with the soccer, but now we have to talk about you that you know is a disease. You understand? And what caused that? Because of what you choose. In the end, my viewers and my subscribers, all I want the youth of Jamaica to do is wise up. Think about your future. Think about that journey of success. Stop wasting your life. Stop destroying your life. Stop throwing your lives away. There's a bright future ahead for you. Stop it. You must can look in yourself and realize that the future is out there for you, young man. You must stop giving that away on a life. Stop choose the gun. Stop choose the criminalism. Because in the end, you're being an enemy to the Jamaican society and your life gonna be cut short. My people, big up to all of the read and them in Jamaica. We are talking about the read and them who protect the turf them, who protect the people them and now waste the people them life. Big up to the real people them in the city, in the towns everywhere. Can't don't know NEWLINK production representing for the 14 parishes and everywhere in Jamaica. People who just stay blessed and stay real. And for all over the Caribbean in Trinidad, Guyana, you understand, St. Lucia, St. Kitts, St. Martin, Antigua, all of them places, man. NEWLINK I say, enough love me people, enough respect. Every time in a St. Kitts and Nevis, Curacao, British Virgin Island, them in a St. Thomas, Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, everywhere you can think of. NEWLINK are big up in Canada, America, every part in America, from Florida to New York to New Jersey, all over big up in the the whole of England, everywhere. NEWLINK so that. Blessings, people. Stay blessed. Peace. I'm out.
Them a go do ya know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old trend setter. NEWLINK.